Video 4.2, Parallel Structure. To write sentences that have parallel structure, use the same grammatical form for two or more similar ideas. This makes it easier for readers to understand your writing. For example, the sentence, "In the summertime, I love swimming, hiking, or to relax with a good book," doesn't have parallel structure. Here's the same sentence with parallel structure. "In the summertime, I love swimming, hiking, or relaxing with a good book." Now, all the verb forms are written as gerunds. Or, "In the summertime, I love to swim, hike, or relax with a good book." Now, all the verb forms are infinitives. Compare or contrast ideas. Make sure you use parallel structure when you compare or contrast ideas. For example, going to the movies is more fun than to rent videos at home. In this case, the sentence is not parallel because an infinitive, to rent, is being compared with a gerund, going. Instead, the sentence should be written, "Going to the movies is more fun than renting videos at home." In this case, the gerund, going, is compared to the gerund, renting. Articles, prepositions, or conjunctions. When you write sentences in which articles, prepositions, or conjunctions come before equal ideas in a series, make sure you're consistent. Either repeat the preceding word or phrase before every idea, or use it only before the first idea in the series. For example, this book is useful for practicing language skills, learning new vocabulary, and for understanding Spanish-speaking cultures. This sentence is not parallel because the preposition for is only repeated before 2 out of the 3 items in the series. Instead, we could say, "This book is useful for practicing language skills, learning new vocabulary, and understanding Spanish-speaking cultures." Now, the preposition for is only used before the first item in the series. Let's take a practice test. We're going to edit sentences to create parallel structure. Number 1. I believe that drinking water before physical activity is more important than to drink during. We can change the sentence in 2 different ways. First, we can have the verbs all be gerunds, and it would read like this. I believe that drinking water before physical activity is more important than drinking during. Or we could have the verbs function as infinitives. I believe to drink water before physical activity is more important than to drink during. Number 2, fish is good for eating, for canning, and to enjoy. In this example, we're going to list for every time to fix it. Fish is good for eating, for canning, and for enjoying. Or we can switch it up so that they're all infinitives. Fish is good to eat, to can, and to enjoy. Number 4. To hike on a warm spring day is as satisfying to me as taking a dip in a swimming pool in the middle of summer. Let's change all of the verb forms to gerunds. Hiking on a warm spring day is as satisfying to me as taking a dip in a swimming pool in the middle of the summer. Number 4. Let's make all of the verb forms infinitives. I would like to try to compete in a triathlon or to try to finish a marathon. Good luck. I hope you can use parallel structure on your own.